In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a single arm dumbbell row, but we're going to be doing this in a standing position. So we're not going to be using anything to support ourselves like a bench or a wall. Now, firstly, you've got the weight in front of you that you've decided to pick. Now, it's really important that you do the basics well, which is picking up the weight with a nice straight back. Now, for some people, if you've got a heavy weight, what you might want to do is have both hands around the dumbbell, come into that squat position, and then you can come up to standing, as opposed to grab with one hand and twist the back or rotate. Now, what I want you to do is think whatever side that you're going to do first. So in this example, I'm doing my left side. That foot or that leg is going to be the one that's back. So whatever hand is in contact with the dumbbell, the same side's foot is going to be back. From here, notice how I'm slightly leaning forwards, but I'm not arching my back. My back's nice and straight. I'm bringing the dumbbell in line with the forward leg's knee. And what I'm going to do in this position is come directly back, really rowing and arching and arcing my elbow up as I do my repetitions. So it's not a directly up and down. It's more of a arc position, like a semicircle coming back. I'm bringing my elbow not only up, but I'm bringing it up and behind my body. Once you've done your desired amount of repetitions, you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So both feet facing forwards. From here, coming forwards into that forward lean without bending my back. Straight up and straight down, always looking forwards, making sure that I've got that big arch, I'm contracting at the top, and my spine's not rotating, I'm keeping it nice and straight. So that would be how to do a single arm dumbbell row, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.